It's that time of year again. The consumer Olympics of performative romance. If scrolling through your feed right now makes you feel like you're the only person on earth not in a Hallmark movie, you're not alone. This video isn't about finding the one. It's about surviving Valentine's Day without spiraling. And honestly, realizing why being single right now might actually be your superpower. Let's talk love, loneliness, and real growth. First off, let's validate something. Loneliness on Valentine's Day is real, and it sucks. And I don't mean just physically being alone. You can be in a crowded room or even the wrong relationship and feel devastatingly lonely. Real loneliness is a profound sense of disconnection. It's feeling unseen. It affects your holistic health. It spikes anxiety, ruins sleep, and tanks your self-worth. If you feel that ache, don't gaslight yourself into thinking you shouldn't. It's okay to grieve the connection you want but don't have yet. Feel it, just don't unpack and live there. The biggest lie Valentine's Day sells us is that romantic love is the only love that counts. That's trash. We need to rebrand love. There isn't only one kind. The platonic love you have for your best friends, that deep connection that actually sustains you when things get really dark, that is real love too. And the one that might make you cringe when you hear it, self-love. And I don't mean a bubble bath and a face mask, though do that if you want. I mean the gritty kind of self-love, the kind where you respect yourself enough to set boundaries, feed your body properly, and stop texting people who make you feel small and undervalued when you're worth so much more. The love where you give yourself the space and the time to know who you are at your core and what you truly want in life. That love is the foundation of your entire well-being. Without it, romantic love eventually collapses anyway. This brings us to the hardest truth. Society treats being single like a waiting room before your real life starts with a partner. Stop waiting. This isn't a waiting room. This is the main event of becoming who you truly are, who you were made to be. When you aren't pouring energy into maintaining a relationship, you have a surplus of energy and time for individual growth. Put that energy into identifying what physical wellness means to you. This is the time to build emotional resilience so your happiness isn't dependent on someone else's validation. It's time for social growth, building a community, not just looking for the one. It's time for mental growth, figuring out your triggers and your passions without compromising for someone else. Focus on your financial health now, so when you do start your life with a partner, your financial situation supports rather than detracts from the development of a healthy relationship. Being single isn't a deficit. It's an unparalleled freedom to build a life you're actually obsessed with. That's a lovely sentiment, but how do you cope when witnessing the love others share makes you feel unlovable and unwanted? 3 things. 1, digital boundary. If social media makes you feel like garbage, delete the app until the next day. Protect your peace. 2, send love outward. Text 3 friends and tell them why you value them. It hacks your brain out of the loneliness loop. 3, date yourself. Seriously. Buy the expensive coffee, watch the movie you want to watch. Treat yourself with the same tenderness you're craving from someone else. You are whole. You are worthy of love in all its forms, and you are going to be just fine. Happy Valentine's Day. Know that you are loved.